Me again. In that time I have a different washing machine pump, and I want to show you how powerful it's the machine, with about 4-meter leads. It's about 2 meter, and a small one, and this one, it's about 12 volts, 5 amps, and I want to show you also how the voltage and the amps. Let's work. There are the LEDs, very powerful. It's a day with different combination. And the machine works with 12 volts. This is 12 volt. It's very quiet and smooth, but powerful. It's very interesting what you can do with the washing machine pump. This is, I'm sorry, I can take the lights. 12.5 amps, but this is very interesting. I'm draw 22.1 watt, and the amp, it's 0.175 amps. This is very interesting. And this is the washing machine pump. Incredible. It works very, very good. I'm very happy. I'm very happy with the power. The light is for me enough for lighting my kitchen or a room or my bedroom. It's very bright. The light, it's very powerful. That's it. Thank you.